Right, pleasant good morning. So today we're going and put the Honda Vezel RU3 in maintenance mode, right? So it's simple. With the vehicle off, you press the start button twice to turn on the ignition. You have to do this within 1 minute, right? You wait for everything to come up. You press the accelerator pedal twice. 1, 2. Press the brakes, put the gear in neutral, right? Release the brakes, mash the gas pedal twice, mash the brakes, press the park, release the brakes, mash the gas pedal twice, mash the brakes, right? And we maintain on smooth. So to start, just smash the brakes and start as normal. Right, so in maintain on smooth, engine idling. And to exit, you just stop the vehicle. So again, with the vehicle off, within 1 minute, you put on the ignition, wait for the dashboard, everything to come up. Press the accelerator pedal twice. 1, 2. Mash the brakes, put the vehicle in neutral. Release the brakes, mash the gas twice again. Mash the brakes, put the vehicle back in park. Release the brakes, mash the accelerator pedal twice, and then mash the brakes, and it will come in maintenance mode. And then you mash the brakes and press power for it to start in maintenance mode.